I want to show you two lines that will tell you everything you need to know about the American economy right now. The first is this one, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which shot up 470 points today as the news about Moderna's potential COVID vaccine spurred a bout of somewhat irrational exuberance among the nation's investor class. The second line I need to show you isn't on a graph. It's a line of thousands of cars, all waiting to receive food from a food bank in Dallas metro area. Here's the report from a local CBS station.
From the ground, you could see cars lined up everywhere at Fair Park. When you take a wider view from the air, the length of the line was as far as the eye could see, backed up onto the freeway.
I haven't been working since December.
March.
Can't find a job. They cut off our unemployment. It's a big deal. It's a real big deal.
So this is a big blessing for us to be able to get this.
This crisis has not only decimated this economy over the past several months, it's also exacerbated one of America's biggest economic problems, the growing divide between the stock-owning and wage-working classes. Today, the president-elect also made a direct case for Congress to take decisive action before he takes office.
There's a reason why the federal government is able to run a deficit, because the states must balance their budgets, and they're in real trouble. You're going to see hundreds of thousands of police officers, firefighters, first responders, mental health clinics. You're going to see them going out of business. Right now, Congress should come together and pass a COVID relief package like the HEROES Act that the House passed 6 months ago.